and put it in here. Here. Look.
Can you get the egg? Alright, I'll hold it. Go get the egg.
Ooh. Wow.
Can you put it in the basket?
Awesome.
Good job. Do you see more eggs?
Yeah, a blue one. Ooh.
Good job.
And a yellow one over there.
Crystal's helping you treat. Good job.
Where else do you see the eggs? Is that a blue one right there?
Look in the Easter lily.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you saw it.
By the bubbles.
Do you need help?
I can move the Easter lily. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
You're okay.
Oh, the bubble.
Bubbles go in the Easter basket too. Yay!
Ooh, you got two of them.
Whoa!
Wow. Uh-oh. You got it.